Good morning, students. Welcome to the science class. Today we'll see remaining part of 7th chapter Introduction to Microbiology from Science and Technology Part 2. Let's begin with the first topic, antibiotics. Dear students, many diseases of human and other animals have been controlled due to antibiotics obtained from different types of bacteria and fungi. Antibiotics like penicillin, cephalosporins, monobactam, bacitracin, erythromycin, gentamicin, neomycin, streptomycin, tetracyclines, vancomycins, etc. are used against various strains of gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria. Rifamycin is effective against tuberculosis. Microbes and fuels. Different microbes are used for the production of the fuels. First, gaseous fuels like methane can be obtained by microbial anaerobic decomposition of urban, agricultural and industrial waste. 2. Ethanol. An alcohol is clean, smokeless fuel obtained during fermentation of molasses by the yeast Saccharomyces. 3. Hydrogen gas is considered to be the fuel of future. Hydrogen gas is released during biophotolysis of water in which bacteria perform the photoreduction. Similar to fuels, various industrial chemicals are also produced through microbial processes. For example, various alcohols, acetone, organic acids, fatty acid, polysaccharides that are useful as raw material in chemical industry. Some of these are useful as raw material for plastic and food products. Observe the figure. Let's discuss about the biofuel shown in the figure. Biofuel is important among the renewable sources of good energy. These fuels are available in solid form, coal, dung, crop residue, liquid form, vegetable oils, alcohols, and gaseous form, gobar gas, coal gas, etc. These fuels are easily available and in plenty of quantity. These are reliable fuels of the future. Let's see microbial pollution control. Solid waste, sewage, and various pollutants are ever increasing with increase in pollution. Along with it, ever increasing diseases and degradation of environment are the worldwide problem. Especially cities in densely populated countries like India are affected with these problems. Life of the future generation will be difficult if these problems are not solved at right time and to right extent. Let's see the role of microbes in the environment. You already know that microbes are used for disposal of solid waste through biogas plant and compost production. How urban waste that is accumulated in terms of tons may be disposed of. It is disposed of in different ways like preventing or reducing waste generation, recycling, incineration, composting, sanitary landfill or disposal in the ocean or sea. Next is landfilling sites. Degradable waste being accumulated in urban areas is used for landfilling purposes. Large pits are dug in open spaces far away from the residential areas, and those pits are lined with plastic sheets as a precaution against pollution of soil due to leaching of toxic and harmful material. It is covered with layers of soil, sawdust, leafy waste, and specific biochemicals. Bioreactors are mixed at some places. Microbes present in soil and other top layers decompose the waste. Completely filled pit is sealed with soil slurry. Best quality compost is formed after few days. Such landfilling sites can be reused after removal of compost. Next is sewage management. In village, domestic sewage is disposed of either in nearby soil or in biogas plant. However, in cities, sewage needs to be carried to processing unit and acted upon by microbial processes. Microbes which can decompose any compound as well as destroy the pathogens of cholera, typhoid, etc. are mixed with the sewage. They release methane and CO2 by decomposition of the carbon compounds present in the sewage. Phenol oxidizing bacteria decompose the xenobiotic chemicals present in the sewage. Xenobiotic are synthetic chemicals that is harmful to an ecological system. The sludge that settles down in this process can again be used as fertilizer. Water released after microbial treatment is environmentally safe. Microbes are used for bioremediation of environment polluted due to sewage. Next is clean technology. Human being has made a very fast progress in technology. However, environmental pollution is also increasing with the same speed. Let us see the ways of control over air, soil and water pollution with the help of microbes. Microbes have natural ability of decomposing the man-made chemicals. Hydrocarbons and other chemicals are transformed with the help of these abilities. Some microbes remove sulfur from the fuels. 2. Metals like copper, iron, uranium, zinc, etc. leach into environment from low quality metalloids. These are converted into compounds before leaching with the help of microbes like thiobacilli and sulfobacilli. Spilling of petroleum oil occurs in ocean due to various reasons. This oil may prove fatal and toxic to aquatic organisms. It is not easy to remove the oil layer from surface of the water by mechanical method. However, bacteria like Pseudomonas species and Alcanohorax borcumensis have the ability to destroy the pyridines and other chemicals. Hence, these bacteria are used to clear the oil spills. These are called as hydrocarbonoclastic bacteria HCB. HCB decompose the hydrocarbons and bring about the reaction of carbon with oxygen. Carbon dioxide and water is formed in this process. Plastic bottles are formed from the chemical substance PET, polyethylene terephthalate polyester. Nowadays, most of the urban garbage consists of plastic. It has been observed that species like Vibrio, Ideonella, Sacchensis, can decompose the PET. Similarly, species of fungi like Actinomycetes, Streptomyces, Nocardia, Actinoplans have ability of decomposing rubber from garbage. Sulfuric acid is present in the acid rain and material coming out of mines. You know that erosion of metals present in the statues, bridges, and buildings occur due to it. Sulfuric acid is source of energy for some species of bacteria like Acidophyllum species and Acidobacillus ferroxidans. Hence, these bacteria can control the soil pollution occurring due to acid rain. Water-soluble salts of uranium are present in the waste produced during electroplating and in effluents released in environment from the atomic energy plant. Geobacter convert this salt of uranium into insoluble salt and thereby prevent those salts from mixing with groundwater sources. Next is microbial inoculants. Some microbes containing inoculants are produced by process of fermentation. These inoculants are sprayed on seeds before sowing and some of the inoculants are released into plant. Microbes in the inoculant help in plant growth by supplying nutrients. They improve the quality of vegetarian food also. Solution containing azotobacter and artificial nitrogenase is used in organic farming. Soil pollution occurring due to chemical fertilizers is prevented due to use of these solutions. Chloroacetamide like chemicals are mixed with the soil due to use of chemical pesticides in agriculture. These prove to be harmful to other plants and animals as well as cause skin diseases to humans. These pesticides in the soil can be destroyed with the help of microbes. Bacterial and fungal toxins which can destroy pests and pathogens can be directly integrated into plant with the help of biotechnology. Being toxic, toxic means poisonous. Being toxic to insect, they do not consume the plant. Similar to bacteria, some species of fungi and viruses are useful as pesticides. Spinosad, a byproduct of fermentation, is a biopesticide. Plastic, being used for storing the garbage, is biodegradable polyacetic acid. Such material should be used as per need only and environment should be saved. Thank you students. Please revise the chapter and study well. We will meet very soon for the next session.